His lawyer making it very clear a short while ago in court that Mr. Zuma intends to exercise all his constitutional rights in trying to really get a different verdict from the dismissal of that stay of prosecution. So a lot has happened, but if you've just joined us now, the trial is not beginning today, the pre-trial proceedings are not beginning today. You have to wait until the 4th of February 2020. Well, what does it all this mean? To help me unpack some of this, I'm joined in the studio by Advocate Rendani Ntembeleni. He's a lecturer at Monash University. Good morning, and thank you very much, Advocate, for coming in. Just an initial reaction. You are here, as you were arriving here, the court proceedings was ending.
Thanks so much, Brother. This was expected, that the trial was not going to commence in earnest today. Given what has actually transpired, you have referenced the dismissal and the prospects of appeal that the former president has indicated that he intends actually bringing the appeal. So I'm not surprised on what has actually transpired, but what is important is what you have mentioned in terms of the exercise of Section 35 of the Constitution, which is the accused's right to actually exhaust all his available remedies. So the next step for him, as you have indicated, will be obviously to appeal to the Supreme Court of Appeal for another permanent stay of execution. And whether the Supreme Court of Appeal will rule in his favor or not, it's a debate for another day.
And how that process normally, how long would it take? I mean, should we anticipate that that appeal might be heard long before the 4th of February?
No, Braden, because of the challenges of the role at the Supreme Court of Appeal, and also that the process of appeal must start with the judge at the court the court that has actually started. So if they grant him leave to appeal, then he can then appeal to the Supreme Court of Appeal. And the other important factor, Braden, is that does he have the good prospects of appeal? Because it might be dismissed by the judges that have had the case in the Pietermaritzburg, being the full bench. And then if it's being dismissed, it will take longer for us.
Okay, so there's still quite a long way to go. Let's go live now, whilst you are here, Advocate Ntembeleni. Let's go.